Now let's do Brahmari Pranayam, humming bee breath. To do this, first of all sit in the Padmasan or Sukhasan position. Now we'll take both hands mudra, it's also called Shanmukhi mudra. Now use your thumb to gently press the ear cartilage to close your ears. Index finger should be on your eyelid, other one below that, other one about the upper lip, and little finger underneath of the upper lip. So as you inhale through the nostril and when you exhale, you make a humming bee sound. So feel the vibration on the top of the head. So let's start. Relaxed.